Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your single player progress back if you deleted it by accident on your PS5. So if you have PlayStation Plus, you upload everything to the cloud. So here's Minecraft, for example. I want to go on over to the home screen. And when I'm here, press options on the game application, go to upload/download save data. And you should be able to simply just download the save data from here. So just hit cloud storage, download, go to yes, and close down the application. Now, sometimes you might have the PS5 version of a game and the information is under PS4 version. So what we want to do is back out and then go to home, go to settings, go down under here until we get to save data and game app settings. And then we have the PS5 version on top. We can go to download or delete from cloud storage. And we can download the games from here. We can retrieve our Grand Theft Auto profile and single player progress, etc. And then we have other games we can do this for. So let's go to Cyberpunk. We can download it all right here. Now, like I said, sometimes we might be downloading the PS4 version. And we want to go to this, go to download to console storage. And this is where all my information on Minecraft is. So let's go down. And let's go to the M section. And I have 4 gigabytes under here. And then specifically for Minecraft, you need to convert everything. So we can go to the edit option. And I can see all my different worlds. So some of them are half a gigabyte. So just download them and then go on over to OK. Now another thing that we could do is go back over to the game. And once we're in Minecraft, it should give us an option to convert the old worlds on the top. So if it doesn't, we'll have to go to settings. And then we can convert the old worlds to the new ones. And every time I jump into this, I get this text-to-speech. So I have to turn it off. But there should be an option under here to go ahead and convert your old worlds. So here's worlds. And we can find old worlds unknown, sync old worlds. And we should be able to get them back now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.